Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back. I'm Maribel YouTube channel. Here I am again guys para i-share ko sa inyo napakasimpleng soup natin for tonight. At ito ng ating mga ingredients guys. Ito yung ating pork bones. Na-blanch ko na yan. At ngayon ay pinan-fry natin ng slide. As you can see. So already pan-fry. And I need to add plain water. Ayan. Tansyahin na lang siya guys kung gaano karami yung tubig ang inyong ilalagay. Yan ay kulang pa, magdagdag pa tayo. Pakuluan natin ang ating tubig. Now it's boiling guys ang ating soup. At ngayon ilagay na natin ang ating mga ibang pang ingredients. Ang ating red beans. Ayan. Tansyahin na lang siya guys. It's already washed. Ang ating dried scallop. Sweet dates. Nasa 5 pieces. Ayan, ilagay na rin natin ang ating sweet corn. 2 pieces. Let's add all together. Ito ang ating iba pang ingredients na idagdag natin mamaya after boiling this. We need to add this later. Not right now, later. Ayan. Kasi, madali na lang itong maluto. And here are some ingredients also that we need to add later. 2 carrots, 2 pieces carrots. And also this watercress. Ayan, takpan muna natin yung ating soup. Watercress. Ayan, for soup. Ayan guys. At nagpakula ako earlier ng dilis. At siniparit ko siya na binoil. Ito na ang ating dilis guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Siniparit ko na binoil para yung katas lang ang ating kailangan. Now we can add in the additional this one, the water. Sa pinagpakuluan ko na dilis. Kailangan natin salain. We need to use this para hindi maihalo yung ating dilis. Ito guys, ang ating dried dilis. Ayan. We don't need to add this one together into the soup. Sit aside. At ngayon, ating takpan. Iset natin ng 1 hour. After 1 hour, okay na ito. After 30 minutes, idagdag natin ang iba pang mga ingredients. Ito yung red dates guys. Ayan. At ito po yun. Ayan. Tinanggal ko na yung seeds. Ayan. Napakasimple lang ang ating soup tonight guys. Para huwag na tayong mag-isip pa. Simplihan natin ang ating soup. Ayan. Hintayin natin guys. Ayan. Kumulo na siya. Iluhit natin after boiling the water. We need to luhit. We need to set the heat into low. Medium heat. Ayan. Ayan guys. Hintayin natin. Ayan. Kumukulo na siya. Kaya magdagdag tayo ng tubig. Ayan. After 1 hour, mababawasan pa yan yung tubig niyan. Kaya dagdagan na natin. Ilagay na rin natin ng 2 carrots. Ayan. At ating takpan. Asin lang ang katapat nito guys, okay na siya. Ayan. Nakaset na yan ng ano, ng like what I have said just now. Ayan, hintayin natin na mapakuluan after 1 hour or after 30 minutes, then I will add the other ingredients guys. I-check na natin guys after 30 minutes. Now, still boiling our soup. Lagyan na natin ang iba pang ingredients. Ating gulay, watercress. Ayan, watercress guys. Lagyan na natin. Ingat po tayo sa paglalagay. Mainit ang sabaw. Be careful to add in the vegetables inside. It's really hot. Lutuin natin guys ng another 30 minutes. Sa ilalim. Oh, napaka-yummy. Ilagay na rin natin ito guys. Ayan. Ito yung last. Muna natin ilagay ngayon. Hintayin muna natin ng 30 minutes. Kasi madali na lang yun maluto. Ayan. Put it back the cover. And set another 30 minutes. Ayan. After 30 minutes, bali 1 hour lahat guys. Kung mas matagal na i-boil ang soup, mas malasa siya. Lagyan lang ng asin dito, okay na. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye! Don't forget to follow me in my YouTube guys. And then don't forget to click the notification down below guys, yung like and then all, para updated po kayo sa susunod ko pang upload videos. Thank you everyone. Napakasustansya po itong soup na to guys. Iluhin natin para hindi mag-overflow. Ayan, luhit na siya guys. Thank you everyone. Ayan na guys ang ating soup. After 1 hour, lagay na natin to, yung goji berries. At ating takpan na. Ayan. Finish guys. Tinikman ko na rin at ayos na siya. Tignan nyo naman bonggang gulay. Thank you everyone for watching. This is the final result ng ating Chinese soup. Ayan. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye. I hope you enjoy watching my video for today. Thank you everyone. God bless everyone. Bye.